quick few do's and don'ts with regards to pitching from a sales point of view. Okay, right? So number one, please explain and convey as many things as you can in a very simple, understandable and easy language, right? Next, please make sure that you are aware of the specialities, the uniqueness, the great benefits that your product or service offers, so that you are able to deal with the questions that come. In fact, that is the next part. You should have done very good research about not only yourself but also about your competitors, so that you are able to also explain the differences to your leads or customers, and also be able to deal with the questions that these leads may have for you. So all of this knowledge is very helpful as you go about this process of pitching. And a few don'ts also. Number one, don't try to impress anybody, but please only express. Like I've always been saying, honesty is really the best policy. Say what you know and make sure you know as much as you can. So that way you are able to express. Because if you only impress, it won't last too long. Yeah, it's destined to fall off or fail. Always, don't be only motivated with the fact that I'm selling and I'm able to generate revenue and earn profits. No, be genuinely interested in helping people, solving their problems, solving their concerns, providing them benefits, and you will see that your pitches will be far more effective, right? And last but not the least, like I mentioned, use simple language earlier. So here I'm saying don't use complicated language. Purposely I'm repeating it here at an opposite point, although, because a lot of us use a lot of mumbo jumbo, like jargons. I'm not sure if you are aware what jargons are. If you are aware, cool. If you are not, jargons essentially are words or terms that only a specific group of people understand. So for example, if you belong to a particular company, there are some words that are used only within that company. So those become the jargons of that company. Or for example, if you belong to a particular university or institute, there will be certain words used only within the sphere of that university and that institute. Only people within that will be able to understand those words, and those are known as jargons. So people outside of that particular universe, meaning that outside of that university or institute, or in this case outside of that company, will not be able to follow those jargons, and therefore it's very, very important that you use simple, understandable language.